Hi, and welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. I'm Johnny Mac, and today we're going to do a tartar sauce. This is the same tartar sauce that I made whenever I was at the Cordon Bleu, Paris, France. It's a simple savory sauce good for fish and vegetable dips. We'll start off with a homemade mayonnaise. The ingredients include 1 egg yolk, warm white wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, as well as peanut oil. Go ahead and add all the ingredients to a bowl. And then we go ahead and mix. Just make sure it's all incorporated well together.
Once mixed, go ahead and grab a damp tea towel, pin it underneath the bowl. This will keep the bowl from moving. You're going to need both hands, one to pour the oil and one to whisk. Now slowly drizzle that oil into the mixture as you whisk. Now remember, it's important to slowly drizzle that oil into the mixture. Otherwise, if you pour it in too quickly, it could separate. Okay, so we're almost done here. Poured in our last little bit of oil, so now we're just going to whip it. We want to make sure that the mixture is nice and thick and fluffy.
Alright, and that's pretty much it. So now it's time to add the remaining ingredients. We're going to use shallots, tarragon, hard-boiled eggs, chervil, parsley, and capers. Then we're just going to add them all in together. No particular order. And now we mix.
And that's it, the Cordon Bleu, Paris, France style tartar sauce. Hey, thanks for watching. Check the description below for the recipe. Please leave your comments, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.